Good evening. Alright, topic of the moment. Light. Again. Yeah, I know. I don't know what happened to the world. When I was very young, everybody has the same questions when they're little, right? And sometimes you get the right answer, sometimes you get the wrong answer. It depends on who you ask. But when you're little, all adults are supposed to know, and you're not supposed to know, and whatever. I ended up reading books is what I did. And but here's the kicker. Light. Maybe not every teacher taught this, but it was in every library. Alright, light is thermal energy. Meaning, when something gets hot, like a light bulb, filament, when it gets hot, the atoms in it are trying to move because heat is released of momentum. Alright, so the atoms are trying to move. They're excited and they want to go, but they can't. They're stuck in a structure. But the electricity, the energy running through it, is telling it to run, and it can't. So it's releasing that energy by shaking, vibrating. The whole lattice is going, and it's shaking like crazy, and those vibrations radiate out in 360 degrees, actually in a globe, right? And it's waves of energy, all right? They're high frequency waves, or low frequency waves, depending on, what color is glowing. That's what we see as light. That's how our eyeballs work. There's a lot of energy that radiates out, even high frequency energies that radiate out like that. And there are other energies that do not, because other energies work like electricity, or what people call electrons, or lightning. It all works the same way. Sloppy Joe's. I made my kitchen outside because I live in the south. It is hot as heck down here in the summertime, so I made my kitchen outside so I don't have to heat up my place. But here's the kicker, right? If you have a taser and a flashlight, okay? Lightning, fire. Flashlight filament heats up and you get this glow, bright white glow, and it's energy waves rolling out in all directions. Well, the inside of the flashlight bulb, it has little mirrors to help direct as much of that light outwards in the cone. The taser has two little poles. It's called a diode, and it builds up a energy potential field on this side, a magnetic field on this side, and a magnetic field on this side. So you have a positive and negative. You have a high potential over here and a very low potential over here. So what happens is your high potential builds and builds and builds. When it has enough power, it goes and it jumps from point to point, from magnetic field to magnetic field, and it balances that field. That's how electricity works. That's how electrons work. That's how lightning works. It's all the same thing.